Hi friends, my name is Rishikesh Adindra Yadav and will today's topic in abstraction and interface in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Abstract class in Java. A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as an abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. Abstract class in Java. Class which is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It need to be extend and its method implemented. It cannot be instantiated. Uh, Point to remember. An abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It cannot be instantiated. It can have constructor and static method also. It can have final method which will force and subclass, not a change to body of the method. Abstract class having constructor, data member and method. An abstract class can have a data member, abstract method, method body, abstract method constructor and even main method. Interface in Java. An interface in Java is a blueprint of class. It has static constant and static member. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. They can be only abstract method in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can say that interface and can have abstract method and variable have a method body. In interface also represent the is a relationship. It cannot be instantiated just like abstract class. Since Java 8 version, we can have default and static method is an interface. Uh, Java 9 version, we can have private method is an interface. How to declare an interface? An interface is declared by using the interface keyword. It provides total also all the uh, in Java interface also represent is a relationship. All the method is an interface and declared with the empty body, and all the public static and final by default a class the implement and interface must in the all method declared in the interface. Is multiple inheritance in Java by interface. If a class implement multiple interface or an interface extend multiple interface, it known as multiple inheritance. Abstract class and interface. Abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract method. Interface can have only abstract method. Since Java 8, it can have default and static method also. Abstract class doesn't support multiple inheritance. In interface support multiple inheritance. Abstract class can have final, non-final, static and non-static variable. And interface has only static and final variable. What is the abstract class can provide the implementation of interface, and an interface can it provide the implementation of abstract class. Thank you.